700,000, 800, maybe 850,000? Stop guessing and start knowing with Harcourts Mandurah. The ever-changing real estate market can leave you wondering until you reach out. Prices shift, demand changes, and headlines confuse. But clarity comes when you talk to people that live and breathe the local real estate market every day. So take the first step. Book a quick 15-minute obligation-free appraisal with one of Harcourts Mandurah's trusted advisors. You don't have to be ready to sell, you don't have to make a decision today. You just have to understand where you stand and what your next steps could be. Our appraisals are up to date, data-driven and tailored to your home. No guesswork and no generic numbers. No lock-ins, no pushy sales, just honest advice backed by results. Harcourts Mandurah, know your value, know your options. For a free, no pressure appraisal, call 9581 9999 today.